Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Blueberry Muffin with yogurt and honey. Didn't know that this was a thing, and I didn't know you could get yogurt in a muffin, but this looks and smells amazing, and I'm excited to try this cool thing out. I also like honey a lot, so it's gonna be interesting. So it's like a blueberry muffin with some crunchy topping on top there, and I think it's supposed to be yogurt honey, so get right into it. A little messy, but that's okay. Really good. It has a bit of texture to it. I don't really taste a whole lot of honey, but I think I got like a bit of yogurt there. It's a little crunchy. Really nice. It adds. I really like texture when things are extra textured like that. Like it's like a bonus texture. It's really great. I don't know what it is, but I love it. So yeah, good flavor too. Now this is messy. There's little pieces falling out. I don't even know if you can see on the camera, but there's little pieces falling off every few seconds. So be careful if you get this. Don't do what you're doing. Don't do what I'm doing and eat it in your car, because that's going to make a big mess. But it looks amazing. Try some of the inner part. Yeah, the yogurt and honey's kind of on the outside. And some of the stuff here that fell off. Honey, yogurt. I'll have one more bite, I'll give my final review. Putting it away because there's crumbs everywhere. That was really good. Blueberry yogurt honey muffin. So Starbucks, that's a pretty big banger right there. That's one of the best fast food style muffins I've ever had. Easily the best. They have blueberry ones at like McDonald's and stuff like that. They don't come anywhere near as close to as good as this one. So I would give the blueberry muffin with yogurt and honey an 8.5 out of 10. What I like best is it's got that exterior crunchy crumble of yogurt honey, and then the muffin itself is just amazing tasting as well. I kind of treat muffins as if they're cupcakes because they're kind of sugary like that, so that's how I treat it. So personally, just my own way of going about it, because they're higher in sugar and things like that. Not like people think muffin, they think healthy, but not overly that healthy if you really look into it. So unless you're having like a brand muffin, but this is a very delicious treat though, so go try it out. It's real good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next video.